Welcome back, first grade. I am excited to see you today. We have been talking about numbers and adding ones, taking away ones, adding tens, taking away tens. Okay, so let's practice that for just a minute to review it. Let's say I have 3 tens and 2 ones. How many squares do I have all together? What is my number? 3 tens, 2 ones, I have 32. Okay. What if I want to add another 1? What is 32 plus 1? Add another 1. 33. What if I want to add a 10? So now I need 10. I'm going to change my tens now. What is 32? Let's go back to 32 plus 10. Well, now I have 1, 2, 3, 42. Okay. So let's look at these numbers without our squares up here. So we said 32 plus 1 is 33. What's 32 minus 1? That's right, we need to take one of them away. What comes before 32? 31. Okay. What if I want to add 10? So now I'm looking at the tens. I have 3 tens, I want to add 1 more. Now it's going to be 4 tens and 2 ones. 5 tens and 2 ones. 32, 42, 52, 62. Great job. Let's take away tens. Okay, we have 32, 3 tens. Take a 10 away. Now we have 2 tens and 2 ones. We didn't change the ones. 1 10 and 2 ones. Okay, so that's what we were working on yesterday. So I want you to keep practicing that. Okay. And I want to focus today on our comparing of numbers. Okay. So on the left side of your board, I want you to write down the number 64. Put that on the left side, 64. On the right side, I want you to write the number 29. Okay. Now, there are a couple of strategies when you're comparing these numbers. One is to think about when you're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 29. So I've already gotten to 29. Have I gotten to 64 yet? So 29 is smaller because when we're counting, we have to keep counting to get to 64. So that's one strategy, to count in your head, but that can take a long time. The other thing to think about is look at the tens, because even if the ones are 9 is our biggest digit, but 29 is not bigger than 64. We have to look at the tens. We have 2 tens over here and 9 ones, and we have 6 tens over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you see my 5 try to get away? 5, 6. So this is 6 tens. What is 6 tens worth? What's the value if we're counting by tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this is 60 right here, and this is 20. So we have 64. 1, 2, 3, 4. But that's not another 10. So we're looking at our tens. And then here's 29. Even if I have 9 cubes, I'm going to pull them up here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need one more. 9. That's 9 ones. It's not even worth a whole 10 yet. So look at all of our squares over here. Even though this has a 9 over here, that's only the ones. It's not a very big number compared to 64. So we would put our numbers like this and say that the alligator is eating 64. Okay. What I want you to do today, and you have several workbook pages today to practice this, so I want you to compare numbers. You can do it on your whiteboard with your 10s and 1s, and make sure you're looking at those 10s. Which one of them has more 10s? That's going to be the one the alligator eats. Okay? And then I want you to do workbook pages, and there are several. Okay? We're going to do workbook pages 123. I want you to start on 123. And I want you to go all the way through 127. So start on page 123, do all the pages, including 127. Okay, and you can work on that today and tomorrow as well, okay, this week, and try to practice comparing your numbers. Which ones are greater, which ones are smaller? How do you know? Make sure you're looking at those 10s, double checking, okay? Have a great time. See you next time.